Can we hide the following list on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide the following list on Instagram. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So now let's begin. First step is open up your Instagram. Now after we open up our Instagram, we'll simply head over to our profile. And on the top right, you should see the three lines. Tap on it and you'll be on your settings and privacy. Right here, what you can do is you can scroll down and you should see account privacy option. Now tap on that, and after you tap on it, you will see the private account option. Now the most easy way to hide your following list from your non-followers is by simply turning on your private account. So make sure that you have a private account. Just toggle this button on and then tap on switch to private. Now, after doing that, what you can do is you can head back and see if there is another option from where you can hide your followers or following list. So you won't be finding any such things. So the other way, if you want to hide your followers or following from a specific person, what you can do is you can head over to the search bar, search for that very person, and then simply tap on the three dots on the top right, and then simply block this person. After you block the person, he or she will not be able to see your profile or your following list or your followers list. And that is how you do it, guys. There is no specific way from which you can hide your following list on Insta. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.